Oh, say hi na mama. Makita ka na eh. Picking tayo ng strawberry ko nam. Raspberry. Picking tayo raspberry. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Boy Tamad. Pupunta kami picking ng
Pedro. Pag kami manan nagpasyal. Picking ti Granberry. Granberry guys.
Granberry na. Picking ti Granberry.
Are we actually picking raspberry? Wait.
Okay.
Sa una.
Like
and share.
Like and share. Like and
share.
Wow! Okay guys, let's go.
Like and share.
So punta na kami guys ha. At maggagas pa pala kami para diretso na yung biyahe. So here we go. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat guys. Malayo-layo yung pagpipikingan natin ng strawberry. Guys, magagas muna tayo guys. Tayo dito. Para diretso na. So ayun guys, tapos na tayo mag-gas at let's go now. Magpipicking tayo ng strawberry at saka strawberry ba? Raspberry pala. Sorry guys. Raspberry. So kung sino pa ang hindi nakapollow, follow na. Like and share.
Turn left onto Inkster Boulevard West. Stay in the left lane. In 1.2 kilometers, turn right onto McPhillips Street. At the light, turn right onto McPhillips Street. In 900 meters, turn left onto Inkster Boulevard West.
So nanonood sila right sa mga video.
In about 14 kilometers, keep right to merge onto Perimeter Highway. right lane to keep right to merge onto Perimeter Highway. For about 66 kilometers, continue straight.
Kape muna, guys. Para masarap-sarap ang mag-drive.
Ito yun yung kainan ng
O, yun dyan.
sinabon.
Bago ba yun?
Use the roundabout to make a U-turn, then turn right onto Portage Avenue.
Ay, important muna tayo, guys. Anong gusto nyo, guys? Maya kayo mo? Kaya mo? Kaya mo? One shot of coffee, please. Da. Hash brown. Ba't di naka-cup? Price. Kinakita niya eh? Up. Okay. Yung bagel now? Okay. Hello there. Can I get extra large, 2 milk, 1 sugar? Okay. And small double. Okay. Small double. Sure. And ano siya ate? Small London Fag. Okay. And a cold chocolate milk.
One service?
Cold chocolate milk.
Small or large size?
Small.
Okay.
And can you give me a extra cup with ice?
Sorry?
Extra
A cup of ice?
A cup of ice, yeah.
Extra large?
Ano, medium.
Okay. Medium cup of ice.
That's it, thank you.
Drive ahead, please.
Turn na lang kami para mabilis.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Racetrack Road, then turn right onto Portage Avenue.
Malayo yung biyahe natin, guys. Isang oras na mahigit. So, ayan. Pudot ma! Silit ka!
At the light, use the right 2 lanes to turn onto Portage Avenue. keep left onto Portage La Prairie by passage toward Brandon. In 2 kilometers, keep right onto Route 240 toward Southport. Keep right, then turn left onto River Road. At the next stop sign, turn left.
Dito na tayo sa Portage La Prairie again.
At the stop sign, turn left onto River Road.
Sa bandang right tayo pumunta noon. Pagsama ninyo sa amin sa pagdadrive.
Keep left, then arrive at your destination.
Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron dito. Para namang alam nyo kung ano ang pipitasin namin. Okay. Saan tayo magpapark? Tabi-tabi lang kaya.
Ito, sa tabi niya. Ayan o, uy, ang ganda, may cherry sila. Anong gusto nyo? Should we get cherries and haskap?
Dito kaya? Dito?
Siguro.
Hindi dito? Tayo guys, mag-park. Park naman sila sa ano. Okay guys! Direk, saukan!
Maghanong kami ito eh. Pagpikingan mo eh. Cranberry.
Hanggang ngayon,
Nakagagayaw.
wala pa rin cranberry ka lang.
Nagagawa ka balbala ito.
So yun guys, salamat sa panonood. Salamat sa lahat.
Ayaw, nagkalan.
At magpipiking na tayo. Ay, ang gamitin ko pa ito, mainit sa labas.
And share.
Minimorize na talaga.
So, yeah, so if you go down there at the far ends of rows 26 to 30, roughly in there, be the best picking. There's lots of blue fruit, you'll see it.
Okay.
And we have gooseberries are on the other middle section is our cherry patch. Normally it's $20, but because of the dark, there's some fruit that's dark brown and has insect damage, so don't pick those. So we're offering $5.
Oo, ito pala yun guys, yung sinasabi nila oh. No, pero kadung seat na ni drakkel ni oh, laking tinik. Ito paano to? Yeah, ito daw yung hinog. Yun to. Ingat lang guys ha. Kanon to pa mapumpuno di basket tayo. Ano kastaw? Nag-seat mat. Ten. Ito ng ang kanan.
Antay, Romano Rico.
Luman. Ito. Palitam.
Yung cherry yung
Wala na dyan.
I ain't walking.
Kukuha ko.
Saan yung cherry?
Nandun sa unahan.
I'm not walking.
Ay, yung nasam?
Can
Yeah.
I have a bite?
Oh, video oh.
Oh! Ate, halika na, mag-walk na lang tayo. Okay. Sunod na lang sila.
Okay. Daming tinik. Yeah. Sarap. Sarap guys, meron pa Okay. Tapos sa cherry daw.
Watch tree, watch tree.
Oh, nice. Saan? Ganda naman to.
Look here.
Pero hindi pa hinog tomato, di ba? Ano bang kulay nito? Ito yata yung kulay nito eh. Try natin ito. So guys, ito na yung nakuha namin. Ito yung... Ano to? Haskap. Ito.
Gooseberry.
Gooseberry. Ito.
Cherry.
Cherry. Okay guys. Ayan na po ang ating fruits. Magbabayad na tayo. Ito 25. Ito 15. Ito 15. So, yan.
Tara na.
Let's go.